I'm contractually obligated to do this next thing at every show I do. I'm not terribly proud of it, but you know, you do what you have to make ends meet. So here we go. It's going to be an infomercial, and in case you don't know what an infomercial is, let me come out and explain to you. An infomercial is like a commercial, only it's filmed in front of a live studio audience. And you guys, if you don't mind, will be my live studio audience today. And the name of the product is Imagigrow. Now, every time you hear the word Imagigrow, what I'd like to have happen is this. Everyone sitting on this side of the room, if you guys could all go, ooh. Very nice. And then when they go, ooh, everyone on this side of the room, you guys answer back and go, ah. Very good. Okay, let's practice one time and then we'll do this infomercial. Imagigrow. You guys are going to make my corporate sponsors very happy. Thank you. We'll do this infomercial and then we will be on with our regularly scheduled puppetry program. Maybe you're tired of those same old boring reruns on television. Maybe you wish that you had something fresh and exciting to do with your time. Well, then it sounds like you need Imagigrow. Imagigrow's patented formula uses molecular discombobulatory osmosis to actually create imagitrons in the brain. What does this mean for you? Well, maybe you're tired of your school's cafeteria food. Why not spice up that Sloppy Joe sandwich with some Imagigrow? Chick, 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 chick. A slippity sloppity slippity sloppity slippity sloppy Joe. A slippity sloppity slippity sloppity slippity sloppy Joe. A Joe. A Joe. Maybe you're tired of having to water that same old boring garden every morning. Well, now you can wake those flowers up with some Imagigrow. Blub, 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 blub. Yup, yup, yup. Maybe you're tired of trying to teach that old dog a new trick. Well, now you can let Imagigrow do the work. Imagigrow do the work. Ruff, 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 ruff. How much would you pay for an amazing product like Imagigrow? But wait, don't answer yet. Order today and get your second bottle of Imagigrow absolutely free. But wait, we're not finished. Order in the next 5 minutes and we'll also throw in this flashlight comb so you can brush your hair in the middle of the night. This copy of Abraham Lincoln's most romantic love songs. And this purple thing. Just think about the hours of fun you could have with this purple thing. Don't let this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity pass you by. Order your bottles of Imagigrow today and never see your world the same. Thanks, Imagigrow!